Hey everybody. I had to leave the house this morning because we had a plumber here and he had to turn off the water. And I was going to go to a coffee shop and work on my computer, but instead I went to a thrift store. So I want to show y'all what I got. And also this morning we had a new release. It's like the most requested items, so much good stuff. And I'm like thinking about which one of these items I'm going to put one of those designs on. So as you hop on, say hello. And if you want to see the new release, just type the word MOST, M-O-S-T. And y'all, anybody, Perks member, club members, designers, anybody, any customer, if your order reaches 65 US, you get a free gift while supplies last. So let's get started with my haul. And y'all, one thing that I'm super excited about is this little cabinet. Now, it's a little bit too folk artsy for me right now, but I got plans for it. And I was like, that'd be cute, like on a dresser, really on a shelf anywhere. It's got a drawer and it has this right here. Yeah, and it's heavy. I'm sure somebody probably made this back in the 70s with that pineapple on it, but it's got the stinking cute drawer. It's dirty, so I'm gonna have to clean it up. And y'all, if Barry's watching this is the first time he's seen these, and I'm sure he's thinking that I needed all this stuff. So y'all tell me in the comments if you think I needed all this stuff. I think I did. So I'm thinking about painting it like an off-white or something. And then I thought a pretty green would be awesome. And look, I'm on my phone. I see no comments. So y'all just comment. I'll check it later. Then I got a couple of hats. They were new. Nobody's ever worn them. But I was like, these will be good for yard work. And one time I made like a collage of different straw hats. And I was like, maybe I'll start my collage, you know, with straw hats. Something like this is really cute, like on a screened-in porch or something, because it's like very summery and stinking cute. Okay. Then I got a jean jacket, and I have some of the decolorant paste, and so I'm planning on using it on this jean jacket. Now this is probably a little small for me, but I do have somebody in mind that can wear it. But I was like, oh my gosh, won't that be so on trend? And look, if you can think of anything right off the bat, like what designs would look good on it, leave it in the comments. And remember, if you want to see the new launch from today and get your free gift, type the word MOST, M-O-S-T. And I do apologize for not being able to see your comments. Okay. I'm just laying this stuff over here. Okay. And y'all, once again, I was looking in the store for these. And while this is dusty and dirty, it is so cute. It was $4.99. I think this looked good on the back porch too. I don't have to water it. It always looks green. And it's a perfect basket. And look, as I'm going through this stuff, tell me what y'all like. If y'all like this, do y'all like thrifting like I do? Then, what about this? It's got metal details on the corner. This was $7. It was totally worth it. And I was thinking, you know, you can put stuff in it, you can hang it on a wall, put it in a drawer. I like it because it's real wood and it has these metal details. What do y'all think? What should I do with this? That's another thing. In the comments, as I show you something, tell me what to do with it. And like I said, Barry's gonna be so excited. And y'all, I got this to paint. I'm gonna make it into a chalkboard because even though this would be stinking cute in the kitchen, it was $2.99, but I was like, it's a great size. I could really just paint the inside and then put whatever design I want to, because I like the outside border. But if I put a different design, I don't have to use it in the kitchen. Right? Okay, hope y'all are enjoying this. Give me some hearts if you're enjoying this. Okay, and y'all, this, I don't know where it was from. It was $6.99. It is like a really heavy wooden riser. Now, I do need to sand it. It's a little rough, but I was like, oh my gosh, you could use this anywhere. Anywhere, Barry, I could use this anywhere. And that'd be cute with, you know, that design that I like, that I did the pillow. That would be pretty. Now what color? Okay. And then I got this. This was $3. It's, you could use iPad, Cookbook, whatever. But of course, I'm gonna sand that off and put my own design on here. I love finding awesome surfaces. Okay. Oh my gosh, this. Now this I'm gonna have to do some sanding, but this is like a wood, it's real wood. It's kind of got a green tint, and I don't know if somebody tried to clean it or what they did, but you know how, this is like, you know how I've been sharing those stuffies made out of the Amazon bags? This would be pretty. You could put whatever in here. You could put candles in here. You could put stuffies in here. I was looking for something like new, like this, for something similar yesterday. This was $4.99. It's real wood. It could use a little sanding. And look, I like the dimensional look. I even like this color. I wish they whoever hadn't done that. And maybe I can just put something in here and cover it up. Okay, and then, which you're probably gonna think I'm crazy for this, because this is like this is a bourbon, an empty bourbon container, but I liked it because it's got this little horse on it. And y'all, oh, it smells clean. But I was thinking, I don't know, I could put something in there, like some liquid. I could take the label off, but I like it just the way it is. And this is Blanton Distilling Company, Kentucky Straight Bourbon. But don't you love that little horse? So cute. And I love the amber bottle. All right, friends, I've got to get busy cleaning up my finds, deciding where I'm going to put them, maybe hide a few things in the closet so Barry doesn't see them. But if you can think of anything, like for this, I like the wood, I like the white. I'm going to take the words off and put some design on here. I'm telling you, I really needed all this stuff because I needed to figure out what I was going to do with it. Y'all, I hope you enjoyed this. And look, don't forget about the free gift we purchased today. Type the word most. Go check it out. I already ordered my stuff, and I ordered it overnight. I don't know how quick I'll get it, but I can't wait to start using some of those awesome designs. And y'all, the heat transfers, oh my gosh, I can't wait to get my hands on those. So y'all have a great afternoon. Go check out all the new stuff, and I will see y'all later. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for all the hearts, and wish me luck that Barry doesn't see this video or these items. Bye, y'all.